as we are celebrating 434th anniversary to commemorate 434th anniversary of the first revolt that happened 15 July 1583, where 16 of our chieftains laid down their life for Swaraj and Swadharma. As you know, the Portuguese entered Goa November 25, 1510, and they reached Salsette in 1542. From 1542 to 1583, our chieftain fought a valiant war against the Portuguese army. And during that war on 1583, many of our people were killed, including 5 priests. And after that, 16 of our chieftains were called for peace treaty at Asolna fort, where they were mercilessly killed. And one of the chieftains was saved, and they went to Bangalore. Till today, this history is not recognized by the Goa government. We have given so many memorandum to all the previous chief minister, including this chief minister. And in 2014, question was put by Vishnu Wagh, where Chief Minister Parrikar has given an assurance that he will appoint a panel of historians who will go through all this history and it will be put in the textbook. Till today, it is not recognized nor it is published or put in the history book. So our demand is, till today, they are not put, so we request the present government to recognize this history and put in any textbook. It may be 5th standard or 6th standard. On our side, we are producing a documentary and publishing a book so that history is put in right perspective and whatever facts has happened will be before the people and before the students.